ضيفتنا النهاردة من أصغر الفاوندرز سنا اللي استضفناها في The Story of You. لسه في أول الجيرني بتاعتها، هتحكي لنا عن خطتها لتطوير البراند بتاعها. جودي شلبي co-founder حرية، وهي urban streetwear brand بتقدم حاجة جديدة ومختلفة هنعرف عنها أكتر النهاردة. Hi Judy.
Hi.
Thank you for joining us. احكي لنا ايه الستوري behind حرية.
Because of my passion for fashion, I've always wanted to have my own clothing brand and design my own things, whether it was just simple designs, basic t-shirts, or حاجات with designs. I collaborated with my brother, and he's the co-founder of حرية, and we decided to start our own clothing brand, which represents Egypt's culture and identity and our heritage. And the name behind حرية comes from the street we used to live in في شارع حرية في مصر الجديدة.
احنا excited قوي ان احنا نعرف اكتر عنك وعن حرية، فعملنا جيم هنلعبها مع بعض. We'll ask you some questions to find out more. يلا.
Thank you.
عايزة تقربي شوية.
I go first.
Go ahead. Nice. Okay. رقم 9. ايه الحاجة اللي البراندز التقليدية مش بتقدمها انتوا بتقدموها بحرية؟
احنا كل collection بننزله طول الوقت they're different. يعني مرة بنعمل tank tops، مرة بنعمل shorts، مرة hoodies. ف every single collection is different than the first one. و our designs are very different from all the other local brands. فدي حاجة بتفرق الناس our customers عن بقية الناس because no one wants to be wearing something that everyone's wearing.
جودي احكي لنا شوية عن what's next ليكي، what's next لحرية.
ماشي. احنا all we want to do is expand as much as we can and we're already in the process of that. احنا already أخويا my co-founder هو عايش في UK. He lives in London. Whenever he's there بيلم أصحابه كلهم بيلبسوا حرية. وحتى we had a street photo shoot in London. وهو he sells there as much as he can. وطول الوقت كان بيعمل pop-ups وبيتعامل مع local brands تانية في لندن وبياخد منهم advice. وهو he gives them advice and he learns how to work there and how we can expand our brand and our culture in London. Everything I'm gonna learn into حرية and into making it as big as we possibly can. إنها تبقى فعلاً اللي هو worldwide brand معروفة and it's very exclusive.